Over set.
What is it? Raise it up. Full start. Full start.
He moved.
Let's get it on.
Just launch like this guy right now. I'm gonna try to move to the bottom of the church right there. I'm out of range, I think. There we go. Oh, a headshot. Fuck yeah. The other guy in the front. Oh yeah, he called it. All right. I got him.
Got him.
There's another one behind where he's at, though.
Okay.
I'm at her shooting someone else. Oh, I got another one. There you are. Yeah, he's got better range than I do. I got two on me now. I think I should move, but where am I gonna move to? Oh, I just hit him. Yeah. Hit.
It's all you, man. Hey. Oh.
Gonna move up slowly. I think maybe I'm gonna go left.
Okay.
There's somebody over here.
There, definitely. There was a guy behind this wood cover. We got him. Now
There's
there's
another
a guy.
one. Too. There's another one I almost got.
I got him out. He's gone.
Oh, did you?
He's gone?
On the right side.
All right, left side. We got left side.
Yep.
Yeah, left side
Yeah, he's
behind the wood.
rushing,
There he
he's
is
rushing.
again. There's another guy behind there. So there's the blue. You're
good now? You got two guys?
Yeah, I got him.
Got him?
Yeah,
Awesome.
and he got me. Whew. You don't seem to be under fire. Moving.
like, I'm hit, man. I'm hit. It was. It was.
Got him. Ow. Got him.
Got him. Somebody got him.
Come on, dude. Oh, I did get him. Somebody else. Nice shot.
Oh, man. Oh, he rushed you at the last, or rushed at the last
Yeah.
second. He knew you were there.
Good shot.
He got you.
Yeah, he got him. He got like 8 people from that little
I
spot.
know.